friends, I'm Lithin. Now I'm going to show you how to use assignment operations in C programming language. Let's start. I'll teach you what is C. What is that? First, now what is assignment operations? Assignment operators are these symbols that is almost like arithmetic operators. For example, see this A is equal to B is same as A is equal to B. This is the arithmetic operations of these things, and this is the assignment operations. Here okay, here A plus equal to B is A is equal to A plus B. That like minus B and multiplied by B divided by B and modulus by B. Now we'll go to the C compiler and show you a clear detail about it. Now the user is telling, now they gave a task. What is if we want to add 10 and 20? Okay, what we do is we'll put A, B, C. Okay, we'll use three variables, but what they are saying here is we should only use two variables. That is the maximum. That we should only use two variables. Compulsory, we should use two variables. Only two variables, not three variables. Only two variables we should use, they said. In this case, we'll use assignment operators. What we can do is with the two variables, we can use one variable to add that variable with the another variable. We'll see how. Now here, what you are going to do is put in A and B. We didn't declare any other variable. See, now what we will do is, now we will put A is equal to no, plus equal to. In this case, what we'll do is A is equal to A plus B. You should give like this. That's all. Now what we'll do is we'll put here slash n for a new line. After that, a space, new B, and here A. Now we'll check the results. Right? Here itself we can give here that here I am giving 10, here 20. See here? That's all, we got the answer. See? That's all, it came 30, no? Same. That like what we are going to do is like that we are going to use for this subtraction, multiplication. See, wait, see 200 and the modulus. See, we got 0 and this divided symbol and the modulus symbol. And we got it. Okay, like this we are going to do. And another thing, what we are going to do is we are going to see how we are getting the, now we are giving a task, that is get two numbers from the user through keyboard. We are saying you should get two numbers from the user through the keyboard. Next, what they are telling is you should use only three variables. You should use only two variables. That is the condition they are putting. So we should take the value from the user. We should use only two variables. Okay. Now what you'll do is here you should delete all this. Only A and B should be there. Now what we are going to do is printf, and here we are going to give slash and enter the value of A. We will give A. And what we are going to give is by giving another thing called scanf. Scanf. What does the scanf do, you think? It's very simple. The scanf does a simple thing. Scan, exactly scanning. It will scan the value of the user input, and whatever variable we should first give the scanner, that is you'll think you'll know it is we are going to scan, and we should give first how many variables we are going to scan. We should give that much type, like I'm going to scan for A, so I'm going to give only one type, only one type, that is percentage D. When I give, it will know it is a integer, so I'm going to give percentage D and comma A, which variable I'm going to store. Okay, now I'm going to do percentage D comma and this symbol and name. Note, we'll discuss about arrays later video. So in arrays you should not put this symbol, the and symbol. Okay. Now it's a single value variable means you should put like this variable. Okay. Now we have the same we are going to get for B. Control Shift B. It will duplicate it. Now here B, here also B. Now we give the operation for plus. Who are watching this video can try this, and you can use for subtraction, multiplication, and division also. You can try if you want. Now what we are going to do is we are going to give total. We'll give it this. Now we'll run and see it. Is asking enter the value for A. I am entering as usual. You can enter 50, and I am giving the enter, and is again asking enter the value for B. I am giving 90. Now I will give 100. 50%, so show the total as 150. This like you can make a simple calculation thing. See, our task is finished. You will be thinking, what we can use a simpler way. See, enter the value for A we are doing separate, and enter value for B we are doing separate. No, what we can do is we can take this. We can use only one printf and scanf for this. What I do is here I will put a comma and put here B. Same what I am going to do is here I am going to put a space and you can use and symbol or this and D. Okay, I'll use this A and D and D. We'll put like this. Should put 2% T like this. See, if we put like this, we will get or 2. Enter value for A and B. I'm entering here 100 and here you should give enter and you'll go to next line and you'll enter 50. See, total 150. That's all. Simple. It's very very simple. A little hard work will make C programming very easy. That's all, guys. If you like my video, like my video, share my video, and subscribe to my channel, guys. And click on the bell icon. I'll be uploading many C programming videos and many more videos every week. Okay, guys. Thank you.